In today's fast-paced world, time is a precious commodity. As app developers, we understand how important it is to make the most of every minute. That's why we're excited to share with you a game-changing solution that can save you countless hours of work. With the power of AI, you can now generate app descriptions that are not only accurate, but also engaging and effective. By using AI to create your app descriptions, you can streamline your workflow and focus on what really matters, developing amazing apps that people will love. So, let's dive in and discover how this time-saving solution can transform the way you create app descriptions.